Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this class, we'll be learning third problem from exercise 1.5. Third problem. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems. It would be helpful for you. Do check it out. Video link is in the description. Now we can see the question number 3. If f of x equals 2x minus 1, g of x equals x plus 1 by 2. Show that f of g equals g of f equals x. Here, f of x is given, g of x is given. We need to show that f of g equals g of f equals x. We have to find out f of g first and then g of f. The solution of both f of g and g of f should be x. We should find the value of f of g and g of f. Okay, now we can start solving the problem. Here I have written the question. F of x equals 2x minus 1, g of x equals x plus 1 by 2. Show that f of g equals g of f equals x. So here, what is given? F of x and g of x, right? So we have to write the information what is given in the question first for the solution. So I'm writing f of x and g of x. What is f of x here? F of x is 2x minus 1 and g of x is x plus 1 by 2. G of x is x plus 1 by 2. Here, what we have to find out first? F of g, right? F of g. So for that, what is f of g? How we can expand this f of g according to the previous concept? What is the concept? That is composition of functions. If f is one function, g is one function, in the concept of composition of function, what would be the expansion of f of g? We can write f of g of x. This is the simple expansion of f of g, right? If you haven't watched that video, that is composition of functions concept, check out the video first, watch it out, and after watching that, you'll be able to understand the concept. Do check it out. And now here, f of g of x, right? Here, what we have to do is we need to apply the value of g of x here. Okay, what is given in the question? What is g of x? This one, right? X plus 1 divided by 2. X plus 1 divided by 2. This is g of x value. Then what would be the next step? Here, just consider the whole thing as x. What we are going to do is, we are going to, here f is given, right? F. So that in f of x formula, we should apply the value of this one, x plus 1 by 2 in the place of x. Here, this thing is very, very important. Listen carefully. We are considering the whole x plus 1 divided by 2 as x. So that here f is given, right? So we should apply this value in place of x in f of x formula. Okay, we should consider f of x formula. In that formula, we should apply the value of x plus 1 by 2 in place of x. What is f of x here? What is given in the question? F of x is 2x minus 1, right? That is given in the question. That's what we are writing. F of x equals 2x minus 1. And what would be the next step? We should, in this formula only, we should apply this value in place of x. So here 2 into x. What is the value of x? X plus 1 divided by 2. This is the value of x, right? And then this minus 1. So here this 2 and 2 is common. We can cancel it. So here we are having x plus 1 minus 1. We can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So that we'll be getting x's answer, right? This is f of g. Okay. Already we had gotten the partial solution, right? What is the question? We need to show that f of g equals g of f equals x. Already we had shown that f of g equals x, right? This is the answer, right? Yes. And next one is one more. We need to show that g of f equals x. So next step is we have to find out g of f value. So what is g of f here? We can expand g of f as g of f of x, right? So next, in this line, we should apply f of x formula. What is f of x? F of x, according to the question, what is f of x? F of x equals 2x minus 1. So I'm writing 2x minus 1. And then what should be the next step? We should, here g is given, right? So gx formula only we should apply the value. In gx formula only we should apply this 2x minus 1 in place of x, right? So what is g of x given? G of x equals x plus 1 by 2. This is given in the question, right? So now here what should be the next step? In this formula only we should apply the value of 2x minus 1 in place of x, right? So here what is x? X is there, no? The value of x is 2x minus 1, right? 2x minus 1. This plus 1 divided by 2. Divided by 2. We can write like this also, 2x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. We can cancel minus 1 plus 1 at one go, and we can cancel this 2 also. So the answer is x. G of f also x, right? Hence it is proved that, so the answer is x, right? We already shown the answer. What is the question? Question is show that g of g equals g of f equals x. So the answer should be like hence it is proved that f of g equal g of f equal x, right? This answer is very simple. If you understand the concept, you can solve this problem. First, try to understand the concept by checking out that video, composition of function, so that you can solve this problem easily. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.